Breaking news mga idol, nagpalabas ng bagong update ang Ring Magazine sa bagong ranking ng kanilang pound for pound list base sa pinaka-latest na achievement ng mga pinakasikat na boxer sa mundo. Na kung saan nasa number 1 spot ang 2-division undisputed champion at 3-division world champion na pambato ng United States of America na si Terence "The Bud" Crawford na may record na 40 wins 31 wins by way of knockouts without defeat. Sumunod kay Crawford sa ranking ang pambato ng Japan na posibleng maging 2-division undisputed champion sa darating na December 26. At kasalukuyang 4 na-division undefeated champion na tinaguriang Japanese monster na si Naoya Inoue na may professional record na 25 wins 22 wins by way of knockouts without defeat. Nasa pangatlong pwesto naman si Alexander Usyk na lumalaban para sa bansang Ukraine. Na isang 2-division champion at kasalukuyang heavyweight world champion. Malaking bagay din sa achievement ni Alexander Usyk ang pagiging Olympic gold medalist sa London noong 2012. Si Alexander Usyk ay may kartadang 21 wins 14 wins by way of knockouts without defeat at may darating na undisputed clash against Tyson Fury this coming February 2024. Pang-apat sa listahan ng pound for pound fighter ay si Canelo Alvarez na lumalaban para sa bansang Mexico. Na isang 4-division world champion at currently undisputed super middleweight world champion. Na may kartadang 60 wins 39 wins by way of knockouts with 2 defeats and 2 draws. Nasa panglimang pwesto naman ang pambato ng Russia na si Dmitry Bivol na isang WBA light heavyweight champion na isa sa tumalo kay Canelo Alvarez. Na may undefeated records na 21 wins 11 wins by way of knockouts. Nasa pang-anim na pwesto naman si Errol Spence Jr. na dating unified welterweight champion na lumalaban para sa bansang United States of America. At may kartadang 28 wins 22 wins by way of knockouts at tanging si Crawford lang ang nakatalo kay Spence. Nasa pang-pitong pwesto naman ang dating undisputed lightweight champion at currently WBC junior welterweight champion na si Devin Haney na lumalaban para sa bansang United States of America na may kartadang 31 wins 15 wins by way of knockouts without defeat. Nasa pang-walong pwesto naman si Gervonta "The Tank" Davis na isang 3-division world champion na lumalaban para sa United States of America na may kartadang 29 wins 27 wins by way of knockouts without any defeat. Nasa pang-siyam na pwesto si dating unified lightweight champion at currently WBO and Ring Magazine junior welterweight world champion na si Teofimo Lopez na lumalaban para sa United States of America na may kartadang 19 wins 13 wins by way of knockouts with 1 defeat. Nasa pang-sampung pwesto naman ang pambato ng Ukraine na si Vasyl Lomachenko na isang 3-division world champion at dating pound for pound king. Si Vasyl Lomachenko is a 2 times Olympics gold medalist sa taong 2008 Beijing Olympic and 2012 London Olympic, na may professional boxing records na 17 wins 11 knockouts with 3 defeats.